Good morning, students. Today I am going to do revision on your worksheet. So you all are having doubts that in half yearly what type of questions I will get. In that, whatever sample questions are given in your materials, you study those, okay, and you will get at least 4 to 5 marks, note pattern, short notes type, and one line answer, one word answer. Also dates will be asked, dates also it will be asked as question. Who question will be asked in short questions. Who, when, why, where, these type of questions will be asked in your worksheets, in your tests. Okay, so when you are coming to establishment development of Indian democracy, refugee problem, what was refugee problem, what were the main centers where refugees had migrated, so these type of questions you will do. What was the effect of the migration in Sindh, what was the effect of migration in East Bengal, so these type of short questions can be asked. Okay, you will get the examples also today. I will give you certain examples. Next, river water dispute also. What do you understand by river water dispute? Mention any 4 schemes or 5 schemes of the World Bank. So these type of questions you have to be prepared. Certain examples also I will give you today. So you will understand that in what procedure you will get your questions. Next, suppose in challenges to Indian democracy, in that you will study about what was the importance of the elections of 1967. What do you understand? What were the important? These are example questions. So 4 marks, 5 marks, short questions of 2 marks, fill in the blanks, mixed questions can be asked to you this time. Okay, fill in the blank, some short questions, one word answers, one word answer will be also asked, and dates can be asked, places name can be asked, where this particular movement took place, in which place, who was the leader of this particular movement, this type of thing questions can be asked. And short notes, what was Truman Doctrine, what was refugee problem, what was Marshall Aid, what do you understand by Marshall Aid, what were decisions taken at Yalta Conference. In suppose when you come to decolonization, in that lesson, why was Nkrumah thrown, give reasons, give 4 reasons, 5 reasons. So in this way, this type of 5 marks, 6 marks questions will be asked. So be prepared in that manner. I will give you examples also, example worksheets, follow those, and on that basis start reading the lesson. Read the lesson, then you can answer it very well. You have to read the lesson, follow the lessons. Okay, you have to read the lessons and you have to understand it, because question can be from inside of the lesson also. So read the lesson according to your reduced syllabus. Read the lessons. Okay, according to your syllabus, you read the lessons which have been given to you already. Okay, so follow it and plan yourself according to it. And short questions which are there, the back of your exercises, read those. The short questions, those are also important. Read it. Read the back exercises question also. Follow it. The maximum questions I am making you solve from there only. So you have to read those also. Don't skip it. Follow that also. Okay, and follow the worksheets which I will give today. Thank you.